Last year, the IRS collected nearly $5 billion in estimated tax penalties. That is not money from criminals. That is a tax on ignorance. It happens because most new business owners treat the IRS like a vendor they can pay at the end of the year. But here is the reality check. The IRS is not a vendor, and they refuse to give you an interest-free loan based on your income. To solve this, you have to understand the cash flow trap. When you were an employee, the tax system was invisible. Your employer deducted it before you ever saw the money. But now, as a business owner, you receive the gross amount. You are temporarily holding the government's money in your bank account. And this creates a dangerous illusion. You feel wealthier than you actually are. But if you hold that money past the quarterly deadline, the system penalizes you. The dates are non-negotiable. April 15, June 15, September 15, and January 15. Now the difficult question, how can I pay taxes when I don't know my final profit yet? The wealthy don't guess. They use a legal protection called the safe harbor rule. The rule is simple. Pay 100% of what you owed last year. Here is the math. If your total tax bill last year was $20,000, you simply pay $5,000 each quarter this year. It doesn't matter if you make $10 million this year. As long as you match last year's tax liability, the IRS is legally blocked from charging you penalties. You essentially lock in your safety. But executing this requires discipline. You need to verify your prior year's numbers, calculate the quarterly split, and file precisely on time. This is not what you should be doing. You should be building your business, not acting as a part-time tax clerk. That is why all bookkeeping and taxes exists. We don't just file returns. We act as your financial shield. We review your history, calculate your exact safe harbor payments, and ensure you are compliant so that the $5 billion penalty pool never includes a cent from you. We handle the complexity so you can focus on the growth. Stop paying fines you don't owe. Get your finances in perfect order today. And if you found this strategy helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to help other business owners survive the system.